Hudson Valley, my name is Sarah, and in this video I'm going to be taking you on a journey through all of the amazing things that you can do here. From amazing places to eat to activities and things to do, let's go. Wander Hudson Valley is located on a beautiful hilltop overlooking the Catskill Mountains and Esopus Creek. It's designated as a National Heritage Area, and the valley is steeped in history, natural beauty, and culture. It's also the oldest wine-producing area in the country, and the beautiful scenery has inspired many artists whose works became the Hudson River School of Painters. For the ultimate experience, visit in fall to see the colorful foliage. The Catskills is known for having some of the most beautiful autumn leaves in the world. To help make your trip even more memorable, you can have the Wander Concierge team make reservations and bookings for you. Simply text them at 707-896-1524 to request something at the house or to book a restaurant reservation while you're on your trip. With that, let's get to the travel guide. Another great spot to see while you're here is Catskill Falls. This is one of the highest cascading waterfalls in New York State at 260 feet. Now behind me, you actually only see one portion of it. It goes way, way higher. In fact, you can take these stairs up about 30 minutes and you'll get to the top of the waterfall, which is absolutely stunning. They have a map here for you and they have all different locations of all the sightseeing. Definitely factor in about like 2 to 3 hours to do this experience because there's not really any parking in the area, so you kind of have to park your car far away and then walk for a while. But one of the interesting things about this area is that they actually have so many different paintings that are inspired by it. Actually, the Hudson River School of Art is based on this trail in specific, so you can see all these gorgeous paintings behind me from the late 1800s of this area. It's truly that beautiful. Don't miss it. It's pretty cool. The Hudson Valley is known for its natural beauty and great hiking trails, and there's a great one right near the Wander House. It's called the Ashokan Quarry Trail, and there are tons of things to see here. It looks like archaeological sites, but it's not. It's part of the quarry. They also have beautiful views on all different types of flora and fauna. One of the things I love about the Hudson Valley is that there are so many amazing water sports to do here. So whether you're staying at the Wander home and enjoying the beautiful private pool, or you're out kayaking like me, if you do it with a day away kayak rentals, you'll see so much wildlife. You can go by waterfalls, under bridges. There's even an area where there's a train that goes overhead. It's so cool. The thing I love about this company is that it's locally owned. It was started by Jesse, who started it when he was 14 years old as a high school project. Let's go out and check out the scenery. So I'm kayaking along this creek and there's an eagle in the tree, you guys. You know how rare it is to see an actual bald eagle, like an American bald eagle? It's so beautiful. The Hudson Valley has an emerging food scene. Here are a few of my favorite restaurants that you have to eat at while you're staying here. I'm here at Terrapin. This place is unique because it's located inside an old church. It makes the dining experience quite memorable. This is a brie and fig quesadilla. Look at all that gooey cheese though. What? So you can see the fig in there really nicely. It's creamy yet subtly sweet from the fig. It actually works really, really well together. It's delicious. Let's try their nachos. They know what they're doing here. Not gonna lie. Flavor's right, it's creamy, yet a little salty, a little spice. Now we have the chicken and rice, which has a creamy sauce. Whoa. It has a lemon cream sauce, which is so nice with the chicken and rice. And then the side of kale just brings this dish together. Definitely stop in at Terrapin. We are here at Pearl Moon. This is a locally owned business in Woodstock. Me, Louie, and Bella are here. They were super cool and got Bella some toys to play with to keep her entertained. This is their fried chicken. Louie got the pesto chicken sandwich. They have live music here, which is super cool. Check their website to see when they have live music. Bella's been a big fan of the mashed potatoes so far. Let's get into it. It does have nice layers.
Like a Thanksgiving dinner on a chicken.
That's why they recommend this dish. I do want to mention that they have a pretty solid bar back here with nice craft cocktails. The chef and the people that own this also own restaurants in Brooklyn, New York. Cheers, thank you Pearl Moon for being an epic spot. I'm here at Old Savannah Savannah, not Old Savannah, it's Old Savannah, and that's because it's Southern food. This is located in a historic building that was once a steamboat shop in the 1880s. Pretty cool vibe. They actually completely renovated the space and made it look like you're in the South. So I kind of feel like I'm in New Orleans. They have these lamp posts. So we're gonna start with some smoked chicken wings, and we have a variety of dipping sauces. And then this is fried green tomatoes. We're actually used in the South as a way to use green tomatoes that actually didn't ripen. We're gonna do some dipping action here. Has a really nice consistency. It's meaty. The fried adds this nice crunch. They also have cocktails. I got the muddled blackberry with a sparkling wine. It's delish and looks so pretty in pink. This is their jambalaya, classic Southern dish. It's always good. So much flavor packed into that one forkful. It's incredible. It also comes with scallops and shrimp on top of it, so it's like perfect dish. Bourbon glazed salmon. It looks stunning. Really creamy from the butter. If you're looking for great Southern cuisine near the Wander Home, come here to Old Savannah. There are so many adorable towns around the Wander property, and one of my favorites is here. This is Rhinebeck. This is a historic town that has so much to do. They have museums, they have galleries, great restaurants, and they even have over 40 independent specialty shops. So this is definitely a spot you want to come, spend around 3 to 4 hours exploring. You're gonna have a good time here. When most people hear the name Woodstock, they think of images of hippies or tie-dyed shirts, but that didn't actually happen here. That happened in a town about an hour and a half from Woodstock called Bethel. Regardless, Woodstock has a bohemian vibe that you need to check out. It's filled with tons of cute boutique shops, great restaurants. Now, when you're coming here, I recommend staying for about 3 to 4 hours exploring the shop, and then I normally go out to dinner or lunch. The Catskills has become a hot spot for wineries. In fact, throughout all 4 regions of the Catskills, you'll find wineries and vineyards of all types. While some craft wine from imported grapes, others take advantage of the lush, bountiful land in the region and grow their own. So whether you prefer robust reds or elegant, refreshing whites, you're sure to find something that suits your particular taste. I recommend checking out White Cliff Vineyard and Winery or Adair Vineyards. Both are about 45 minutes from the Wander Home. Thanks for joining me in the Hudson Valley. Between the unique activities and luxury property, we know that you'll have a wonderful time here. We hope to see you soon. Bye.